Welcome back to the Triple D RV build. There's a lot of new updates I need to go over with you. We started this project in Louisiana. I picked up a job in New Mexico, so we had to move everything from New Mexico, or from Louisiana, across Texas into New Mexico. We got everything set up here. We actually landed in a really interesting spot. We're in the middle of a junkyard, which is perfect for our situation right now because we're going to be making a lot of noise and maybe working late into the night. And we don't have to worry about upsetting any neighbors by building on this thing, so couldn't have worked out better for us. I'm going to apologize in advance for the background noise. We're right next to a really busy road, so you're going to be hearing some of that. We have some updates on the build. We had to make some design changes for the frame. I'm going to update you on what the new vision looks like. I'm also going to show you what I've done to the frame to get it ready. So without further ado, let's dig into it. I wanted to give you a fast tour. I wasn't joking, we are in the middle of a junkyard. There's our semi-truck, my welding truck, the frame that we're going to be working on, and where our trailer is parked. And this is where we're going to be for the next several months. So let me show you what we have going on new with the frame. We needed to add a third axle in order to take the weight. This thing is going to be heavy when all is said and done. So originally we only had 2 axles on here, and I had to make some special hangers in order to get this third axle on, but it worked out pretty good. All those gussets that are hanging off that I-beam are going to be cut off. We ended up relocating the hydraulics to further back in order to make space for that third axle. And let me show you, or try to explain what it is that we're going to do with this frame. So the main concept is we're going to be using a shipping container for the rest of the body and building off of that. So we're going to cut off that upper deck, and then the shipping container is going to lay level across. I'm going to see if I can show you this line right here. So this line that we have right across here, that's where we're going to cut this thing off level, and the shipping container is going to sit flat right on top of that, and it's going to go all the way down. And we're going to build supports that will support the shipping container at that height all the way to the back. And that is going to allow us to build everything that we're trying to get incorporated with this. I'm going to show you the drawings that we have and try to explain it the best I can. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'll do my best to get back to you. Here I am on top of our 53-foot fifth wheel, and I told you we lived in a junkyard. I wasn't joking. Here's a little bit of a view to kind of show you where we're at. So like I said, we don't have to worry about really upsetting anybody. And we're in a big enough spot that it can fit everything. So you can see back here, we got the semi-truck and my truck with the frame down there. This is where all the action's gonna happen.